Hi, dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with a new problem. 3 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 3. Mostly the students solve it in the way 3 is cancelled with 3, 6 is cancelled with 6. So answer will be equal to 1. But it is wrong. We will solve it by making 2 parentheses. 3 divided by 6 divided by second parenthesis is 6 divided by 3. Now apply KCF rule. K mean keep it, C mean change it, and F mean flip. So 3 is kept itself. Divide is changed into multiplication, and 6 is flipped over, so it will become 1 by 6. Similarly, apply KCF rule here. Keep it, change it, and flip it. So it will become 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now again, don't cancel 2 with 2, it is divide. So 1 divided by 2, change it and flip it. So our answer will be 1 multiplied by 1, 1, and 2 multiplied by 2, 4, which is our answer. Thank you.